Most NYSC core members aren't broke. They're mismanaging one thing, and it's the most important one. If you're earning the same allowance as everyone else but still struggling, the problem isn't income. It's how you use it. I'll break down the real reasons most course members stay broke and exactly how to fix it. And there's one mistake almost nobody talks about. I'll save that for last. First problem, no money structure. Here's where it gets interesting. Most core members don't decide where their money goes. They react. Allowance comes in, spending starts immediately. Transport, food, random expenses, no plan. This is the mistake. Without structure, your money disappears without trace. Why it happens, you assume your allowance is too small to plan, so you skip planning entirely. But this changes everything. Structure matters more when income is low. Example, 2 core members earn the same amount. One plans, one doesn't. After 3 months, one has savings, the other is borrowing. Fix. Split your allowance the moment it drops. 50% essentials, 30% growth, 20% buffer. Automate the split if possible. Don't trust willpower. Second problem, single income dependency. Most people fail here. They rely only on NYSC allowance. That's the trap. Why it happens? You think you need capital to earn more. You don't. Here's where it flips. Skills are leverage, not money. Here's where it flips. Skills are leverage, not money. Example, a core member learns basic design or writing. Within weeks, they land small gigs. That extra income doubles their cash flow. Contrast that with someone waiting for allowance alone. They stay stuck. Fix. Pick one monetizable skill. Just one. Focus on speed, not perfection. Commit 2 hours daily. Start offering services within 14 days. You don't need mastery, you need market entry. Third problem, wasted time disguised as busyness. Here's the real problem. NYSC gives you time, but you misuse it. CDS, PPA, then the rest of the day disappears. Why it happens? No clear priority. So you default to comfort. This is where it gets dangerous. Example, 3 hours wasted daily equals 90 hours monthly. That's enough to build a skill or income stream. Fix. Create a non-negotiable income block. 2 to 3 hours daily, same time, no excuses. Treat it like a job, because it is. Now the mistake nobody tells you, environment. This changes everything. Most core members stay broke because of who they're around. Same mindset, same habits, same results. Why it happens? You adapt to your environment unconsciously. If everyone around you spends, you spend. Fix. Upgrade your environment immediately. Find business owners. Join skill communities. Position yourself around people earning more than you. Proximity shifts behavior faster than motivation. So here's the truth you've been missing. You're not broke because of NYSC allowance. You're broke because of structure, skills, time use, and environment. If you fix even one of these today, you stop being the corpse member who's always broke and start becoming the one everyone else is asking, how are you doing it? I'm Lawrence. Turn your skills into income systems. Visit skilldential.com today.